HEP Motorsports and Suzuki Motor USA have announced that Ken Roczen will not participate in this weekend's Monster Energy Supercross round at Empower Field at Mile High in Denver, Colorado. Now, obviously, this year, Roczen has been managing shoulder and ankle injuries from practice crashes and also kind of aggravated during races, and experienced a major setback when he suffered additional trauma to his right ankle during training. Medical evaluation confirmed significant further damage to the ankle, including a torn ligament, which will require, sadly, surgery. Larry Brooks, the team manager for HEP Motorsports, said, quote, Ken has been pushing through a lot of adversity this season. He's been incredibly tough and focused on delivering for the team each weekend, even while managing pain. This new development is unfortunate, but we support him fully in taking the necessary steps to heal properly. Now, as far as I know, he wasn't planning on even racing outdoors, so it's kind of not a surprise, I guess. Get some surgery, come back for SMX or WSX, whatever he plans on doing. It just kind of sucks. I mean, obviously, one of the biggest names over here, you really would like to see him race on the outdoors, but in the outdoors, however you want to say it, in the motocross series. I understand why he's not. He's getting older. It's a hot, long series, especially in the middle of summer. So it kind of makes sense that he's saying, nah, I'm not going to do it. And especially now after getting surgery, I mean, what is it? May 24th is the first round for Paula. So there's definitely no way he would be back riding before that and healthy to even make it. And we do have a quote from him himself saying, it's tough to step away with just 2 rounds remaining, but with the new injury, I need to prioritize long-term health and recovery. I'm proud of what we have accomplished so far this season, and I'll be supporting the team as they head into the final rounds. Now, sucks to see, again, it's not like he was in a title fight at the moment. Granted, this year started off looking well, but at the moment now, it's kind of makes sense. Go get the surgery, have it done, start getting healed up, training for WSX, SMX playoffs, whatever he's going to be doing. And, there's no point in racing 2 rounds on a torn ligament in your ankle when you're already out of the title contention. At best, you're going to gain some points and maybe move up a title. Well, actually, no, I think he's in 3rd, right? I don't know. Wherever he is in the standings, it doesn't really matter. He's not going to take 2nd or 1st from anybody. So at best, he's going to just gain some useless points, maybe a podium for a little bit of extra bonus cash. At worst, hurt himself more or, hurt somebody else if he crashes in front of him because of the injury. Who knows? Sucks to see. I mean, this year, just injuries in general have been everywhere, so it's not exactly the greatest end to it all. But it is what it is, and hopefully, knock on wood, he can get the surgery and heal up fully ready for whatever he's planning on doing in the future. So I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Who's going to win the East title, the West title, the 450 title? Whatever. Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.